Let's go to Maya. Okay, so as I told you, I'm going to use a new feature of Maya, and that will be a paint effects. New feature means it's not a new feature for Maya, it's a new feature for you. Okay, paint effects used to be there in old Maya also. Any of the versions previously, it used to be there. I think it was since Maya 8. This paint effects is there. Anyway, so what can be done with the paint effects? Okay, so first of all, uh, paint effects is the library we are having in Maya. Library in the sense there are so many ready-made things we are having inside Maya in paint effects. Okay, previously in up to Maya 2015, we used to call it as Wiser. Okay, Wiser. So now it is called, you have to go to the generator, and it is called content browser. Okay, now it is called content browser. So inside the content browser you are having paint effects. Okay, inside it, paint effects. So this is what uh, we are going to see today, and we are also having some models in our library. Definitely we are not going to use these things. Okay, suppose a prop car. So it's already there in Maya. Now by looking at this car you can understand you also can make this car, right? That is simplified, and in a block-in style only, how we have learned the modeling can be done, this car. Not too complicated. So some props, these are some props, maybe, sorry. You just need to double click on it. A tree, all the extrusions and everything done for you. Right? Can be done. Let us check. Can you see UVs are also done? So vehicles we have seen. We are also having some clothes. Let's take this sweater. You can see very simplified. But you can understand if we are doing the modeling of it, this portion topology we are not going to make like this. We'll make something different, isn't it? This area we'll make it differently. Otherwise, in this area there will be a stretch mark, and later on it will not look good. We are also having some Suppose this one, monster. Yeah, this is our kind of topology. We make like this. We have learned this topology. Okay, exactly this topology we have learned. Not the head, but otherwise. Okay, let's check this head. Head topology is incorrect. You can see. So these are basically auto topology, auto-generated topology. So Wolfman, okay. So like this, we are having some topology. The entire human body is also there. Uh, Female, male, both are there. A human hand. I think you can model better, right? This one. So human hand. We are also having animals. Okay. So like this is a horse. I'll show you how to model a horse, and you can model it better. Okay, better than this. So this is a horse, dolphin. Some cases at the background you are using something in your movie. Then also it is not recommended. I will never recommend it. This you can use at the background somewhere. Mm, T-Rex. These are basically done in. Uh, it can be Mudbox or it can be ZBrush by using Dynamesh, and after auto retopo, they exported it in OBJ. Okay, these are not made in 3D software, and that is the reason the topology, most of the cases are incorrect. Like this, these arms coming out. Okay, the topology is incorrect, so cannot be used. As I told you, suppose you were modeling a museum, so T-Rex is kept somewhere at the background. So that time this can be a kind of sculpture, and you can keep it somewhere. In those cases, this is fine. It is not being animated. Faces are used for this from a distance. Somewhere it is kept.